So how to transfer money from Barclays to Revolut. So to transfer money from Barclays to Revolut, you're going to need to first open up the Barclays app, which as you can see, we've got it open right here. And once you've got Barclays open, you want to head over to Revolut and you simply just want to select Add Money. Then once you've selected Add Money, it will bring you to this page here where you'll then just need to go ahead and input the amount you want to send. So as you can see, it's a minimum of £10. So for the example of this video, we're just going to say £10. Then once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and click right here. And then it'll open you up to this page here. So as you can see right now, Apple Pay is selected. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and select Easy Bank Transfer. Then once you've selected Easy Bank Transfer, you can go ahead and press Done. And then it'll pull you back to this page here. And you simply just want to select Continue. Then once you've selected Continue, you'll get a list of all the banks that you can do an Easy Bank Transfer with. So you just want to go ahead and select Barclays. Then once you've selected Barclays, it will then go ahead and pull you back through to the Barclays app, where you'll then just want to go ahead and approve the transaction. So you just want to go ahead and scroll down, click Continue. And once you've done that, it will then pull you back through to the Revolut app, and you should get a notification right here to say that your money has been sent over. And it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.